Hi, good morning everyone. It is day 2 of the potato reset for me, and I have been up for a little while, but just gotten my face and my hair ready. My hair is still wet, but I've put my product in it. If you guys are curious about what I do with my hair, it definitely just depends on a day-to-day basis, but I did my hair natural today. My hair is naturally wavy. And I do have my very first natural wavy hair routine up on my channel. I can put it up here in the cards wherever they pop up, and also link it down below if you want to watch that. It's changed a little bit, so I've been thinking about doing an updated natural wavy hair routine, so just let me know if you want to see that in the comments below. It is pretty much the beginning of my morning for me, and I am now in the kitchen, and I've got my potatoes out that I'm gonna make. I'm just gonna do my smashed potatoes that I really love, and I haven't really decided what seasoning I want to use. I love this 21 seasoning salute from Trader Joe's, so I might put that on there this morning. Just try to change my seasonings up a little bit. Keep it exciting, I guess, or as exciting as this can be. Anyways, I'm gonna get my smashed potatoes going and have some breakfast. So I am actually in my car now, and I'm about to head to the store to get more potatoes. And I was going to eat after I ran my errands, but I was actually pretty darn hungry, so I went ahead and ate, and I just filmed a little bit of what I had. It was the same thing as yesterday, just a few potatoes with some salt, just kind of mashed up, and yeah, so that's what I had. And I'm nice and full now, and I'm gonna head to the grocery store, which is probably a good idea too, to not go to the store hungry. So yeah. All right, well, I'm headed to the store now. I'm not your prisoner in your cold war anymore, oh no. But I have a feeling that we never really move on from our past. Try to make it all undone, so it didn't have to hurt this bad. Don't say goodbye, don't do this now. Don't go. Okay, so I'm back from my little grocery trip, and I have my potatoes in my Whole Foods bag back there. And yeah, I was pretty much in and out of there in like 5 seconds, because when you're just getting potatoes, it's really quick and easy, which, I mean, I wish that all grocery trips were that quick and easy. But anyway, I guess I'll give you a little update on how I'm feeling. I'm about a day and a half now into my little reset, and I'm feeling pretty drained, honestly. Pretty out of it. I don't know if it's because of the step bet, the goals that the app sets for you, they're personalized to your step history and all of that. But sometimes, I think the step bet tries to push you a little bit. So every single day when I'm being pushed like that, I get a little tired, which I guess is also a given if I'm exercising more than I usually am and all that. So I'm definitely tired from that, and I think also I might be having some effects from the potato reset itself, as far as not eating as much sugar. Maybe I have some sugar withdrawals or something, I don't really know. I'm not having headaches or anything necessarily, I'm just feeling fatigued and kind of cloudy headed and tired, but that could solely be the step bet. I don't know, it's kind of hard to tell. But I'm definitely just gonna keep at this potato reset. I'm actually kind of enjoying it more this time than I have any other time. And it might be because all the other times I tried to use solely russet potatoes, which I don't know why. Like, I really don't know why I did that. And I mean, russets, they're just not necessarily the most appealing potatoes ever in the world. I personally love gold potatoes. And I think that switching to gold potatoes primarily has really made it easier for me to go through this reset. And by now I'm definitely getting tired of potatoes usually. But yeah, I'm doing pretty well, and I'm super excited about my sweet potatoes. Like, I cannot wait to throw those like in the oven or however I feel like making them. I'll probably, sorry, I keep like looking around in case people are like watching me. Typically with sweet potatoes, I like to dice them up and put them in the oven for like 20 to 25 minutes, and then I can just do whatever I want with the little cubes and stuff. So I might just do it that way. And yeah, I'm just really excited to have those because I am excited to have a little bit of sweetness. And you know what, I probably should actually go for a little walk. I have about 20 minutes left before I go back to work, and I need to get some steps in. It might rain on me, but I'm just gonna try to do it anyways. I have my umbrella. So that way I don't have to get 5,000 steps again tonight and be on the treadmill for almost an hour. So let's do this. Alright, so I just got home and I'm starving. I am very, very hungry. But I'm just gonna put away my potatoes that I got today. And actually, let me do a little potato haul for you and show you exactly what I got. Alright, so these are all the potatoes that I got. I got 2 bags of the gold potatoes, and these are 3-pound bags. So that's 6 pounds of gold potatoes, 3 pounds of russets, and I got, I'm not really sure how many pounds, but I just kind of picked up however many I thought I would want, which is a lot, of sweet potatoes. I can't quite open that bag. Of some sweet potatoes. And it's crazy because I seem to always get stuck with some of the largest sweet potatoes that the store has. I don't know why that happens, but I try to go for the smallest ones, but I mean, that's about as small as they're getting, which is still pretty big. I did pick up a really big one. I mean, I guess it doesn't really matter because I prefer to dice mine up, so that's just a couple. There's a couple more in there, so yeah, I think I got a good stash of stuff here to last me a little while, and maybe the rest of the week. I mean, it's only Tuesday, so I don't know, we'll see. All right, so now I'm actually gonna take a couple of the pressure cooked potatoes in here and make 2 smashed potatoes for myself for like a pre-workout kind of thing. I'm feeling like super hungry, and I feel like if I have 2 potatoes, then that's just enough to get me nice and full, but not too much. So I'm just gonna do that for pre-workout, and then I'm gonna actually be baking my sweet potatoes while I'm on the treadmill, just to multitask, get things done, and then maybe be able to have some sweet potatoes for post-workout dinner, dessert, whatever you want to call it. I'm just so looking forward to these sweet potatoes. I've literally been thinking about them like all day, so super excited. And yeah, so that is what is gonna happen next. I'm gonna chop up these sweet potatoes and get on the treadmill. Okay, I think I might need to preface this by saying that I have the hiccups right now because I guess I'm so hungry or something, I don't know, and now I just have hiccups. But anyways, speaking of hunger, I've got my smashed potatoes in the air fryer now. So on these I have smoked paprika, onion powder, and garlic powder, and I'm just gonna stick them in this air fryer on the highest setting. Oh geez, for 10 minutes. Oh my god. Vlogging is gonna be so much fun for the rest of the evening. Oh my god.
I just wanna go back, try to make it all undone, so it didn't have to hurt this bad. So don't say goodbye, don't do this now. Don't go, don't go, don't go. Whoa. You should know why. Goddamn and and my love, my love, my love. Don't say goodbye.
Alright, so I've got my sweet potatoes here, and I'm just going to throw them in the oven on 450 for about like 20 minutes or so. Alright, so I've sat down with my smashed potatoes, and I just want to show you how amazing these ones are because these potatoes that I pressure cooked last night are definitely more cooked through, and so they were so much easier to smash through. And actually, I mean, they're just beautiful. Let me show you. So they're a little bit crisp on the like very top, but that's exactly what we want. But they look absolutely delicious, and they kind of stayed together instead of just flattening out and like crumbling apart and everything. So they look so good. All right, ignore the crazy hair because that's just what my hair naturally does when I put it up in a ponytail. So now that I'm changed into my workout clothes, I'm going to get my sweet potatoes out. Are you done? Are you done? Can I open the oven now? Lick it clean. Okay. I think you're finished. I need to open this. Squammy. Excuse me. Excuse me. You can go now. Go on. Go on. Mommy has to. No. Excuse me. Oh my god, they smell so good. Oh, look at those beauties. Alright, so I'm done on the treadmill, and I think I'm just gonna go shower. It is a little bit after 7, so I think I'm gonna go shower and then decide whether I'm gonna have a couple more smashed potatoes or some of my baked sweet potatoes or both. But yeah, we'll see. Alright, so I'm out of the shower now, and I think I will have a couple more smashed potatoes just because they're so good, but this time I'll put curry powder on these. And then maybe for dessert, I'll have a little bit of sweet potatoes with a very small amount of maple syrup, just to have like a sweet dessert kind of potato meal. But after that, it's pretty much it for the evening. So I'll go ahead and close out the vlog here, and I'll go ahead and include just a couple snippets of my smashed potatoes and my dessert that I have later tonight here. And I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below what you think about the potato reset and how I've been doing the past couple of days. And I do plan on uploading videos as much as I can, but I'm not gonna say I'm gonna upload every single day because I do work a full-time job and I am trying to do my step bet and everything. And so the last couple of days where I've uploaded, you know, the same day almost or the very next day consecutively, it's been a little overwhelming. So I might combine days 3 and 4 together in the next vlog, but we'll just see how it goes. Again, no pressure with the potato reset, no pressure with the vlogs. I'm just having fun, and it actually has been a lot of fun, and I hope you guys are having fun too. So yeah, please subscribe if you want to see more potato reset videos, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. All right, so here now. That was a loud one. I'm so sorry. Oh, I've got, and at least I'll have some freaking bloopers this time.